Hello everyone, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I thought I would come on today and share with you some online purchases. But before I do that, I want to share with you this beautiful card that I received from Shonda, who is Slimline Cards on Instagram. I am a big fan of Shonda's art. She is super talented. And she's so sweet, you guys, and so encouraging. But look at this card. I'm not sure what this card is called, but I'm gonna hold it like this so you can see all the cuts she did. And it will lay flat like that, or it will lay flat like that. And it says here, when you care enough to make it yourself. Handmade by Shonda Slim Cards 2024. And look at the fox and the bird there and a squirrel with the pumpkins. And of course, I love that cute bear with the pumpkins. And it says fall blessings. So thank you so much, Shonda. This is beautiful. And I am late in sending your card to you. I did share that in a video, the video before this, why I'm late getting out my autumn cards, but I did get them mailed. So yours will be at your door before you know it. All right, so I want to share with you some goodies here that I received, but I'm kind of wondering where I should start. I think I will start, that was my dishwasher. It just chimed to let me know it's done. I did purchase some Christmas goodies and I thought I would share those with you. Now, I purchased this when it first came out. Was it a couple of months ago? Concord and Ninth and Christina Warner are, coordinating, working together. So she is a designer and she has created stamps for Simon Says Stamps for many, many years. But now she has her own line at Concord and Ninth. And so I picked up this set. It's called the Merry Trees. And it has a set of dies and stencils. So I picked that up from Concord and Ninth. And then I also purchased the Festive Blooms. I'm sure you guys have seen this. And I have the dies here as well. So there were a lot of dies that went with this. So you put all the beautiful poinsettias and it's just absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to work with that. And then from Paper Tray Ink, I picked up the Build a Stocking and it is a die set. I love working with things like this, so that's going to be a lot of fun. And then from the Greetery, I picked up, and I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but these are the Merry stencils. And then I picked up the Merry die. So that's what it looks like. And there are the stencils there. So really pretty. And also, I think it's around the same time that I purchased the stamps from Christina Warner in Concord and Ninth. I went over to Hero Arts and I picked up their Hero Hues metallic inks. And so these are, I was not familiar with this. I think they've been out for a little bit. Oh, it says 2024. Reactive Glitz ink pad. So they're a versatile metallic ink which reacts when sprinkled with water for creative water effects. So similar to how oxide inks, respond to the water, except these are metallic. And I got them in all the colors. So French pink, Naples yellow, Spanish orange, African violet, Byzantine green, and Egyptian blue. So those will be fun to work with. And speaking of inks, I purchased the Pink Fresh Premium Dye inks. And they are gorgeous. I'm going to open this. And it's a felt pad. And remember when everybody used to make inks on felt pads and now they've kind of switched over to the sponge? But I love the felt pads. I feel like the ink stays the pad stays so juicy, and they're just beautiful to work with. So you can work with these, I believe, with watercolor, perfect for water-based techniques. So I bought their ink pads, and I received a gift when I purchased the ink pads, and I got this, and I hope it's not glaring. I'm going to hold it like that. This beautiful gold heart tray. Isn't that pretty? And such a pretty presentation in this little box. So I love that. And then also I purchased a couple of other things from Pink Fresh Studios. I picked up this jewel picker. So I want to share this with you so you can see this. And it comes with 2 extra tips. So one end is the picker, so it'll pick up like gems and little bits and bobs to put on your projects. And then it has a picker on the other end, so really neat. And then it's got such pretty little crystals in there. See that? So I got that, and I picked up a few of their little brushes. I love their brushes, so I got a few more of those. And then I did purchase some extra heads, even though it came with 2 extra heads. I picked up a pack of 3. And these are freebies, and I'll show you those in a moment. So look at this. I don't know if my camera's going to do this justice, but this is a gorgeous pink case, and it's zippered, and it's from Pink Fresh Studios. Of course it should be pink. And look, I have a few of the ink refills for the ink pads that I purchased. And so there's room for all the refills in here for their ink pads. Isn't that neat? I love this. And I have a perfect spot in my craft room for it to go. So I just think it's such a pretty presentation. So there's that. And then I received, because I purchased the case separate from the ink pad, the ink refills, I got a freebie. And this is the fancy script words. So to do, I think it's the hot foil, and I do have the hot foil plate, so that'll be great. And then from what is it, Glimmer hot foil system, I have that. And then for purchasing that case, I received this pretty stamp set. I'm trying to see what the name of it is. Let me move it over here. Wildflower Slimline. And that's what it looks like. So really pretty and beautiful sentiments there. So those are great freebies. Speaking of freebies, I went over to scrapbook.com, and I needed another set of their little sponge daubers. This is what I use a lot of times for my ink blending, for my oxide inks. So I have had several of these, and one of them, I've used them for so many years that it's getting down to where the sponge starts breaking apart, but they last for a long time. So I picked up those, and I picked up a new set of the waffle flower blending brushes. I already have some, but they're getting worn down because I do a lot of ink blending. And they had these on sale, and they had the other ones on sale too, the little sponge daubers. So I had to pick up these blending brushes because I love them. They're perfect, color coordinating. And yep, I got those free. Not free, I got those at a great price, but this is what I got free. Oh, I forgot, I did get another Essentials Clear Drops. I believe these were also a freebie from Pink Fresh, or no, it's from scrapbook.com. That's why it's with these goodies. So I got that as a freebie, and I got these little trays as a freebie from scrapbook.com. Great to put in like embellishments and things, or like die cuts when you're working. And then I got this latest scrapbooking cards Today magazine, and I love this magazine for card making and of course gorgeous layout ideas. So that is that. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all are doing wonderful, and I will talk to you in a few days because it's Christmas card making season. Yay! Bye for now.